Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start inside Edge. Open Settings now via the three dots or type Edge//Settings. Once there, select Profiles and confirm which profile you'll change. Next, go to Start, Home, and New Tab Settings. Disable options labeled News, Show News and Interests, or Discover Feed. You do this because those toggles control the content pipeline. Turning them off stops Edge from fetching and displaying third-party news cards. Make sure to apply changes for the correct profile before continuing. Now modify what appears on new tabs so news won't return. Open a new tab and click the gear or Customize button near the top right. This controls the new tab layout. Choose Focus to eliminate feed content, or choose Custom and explicitly deselect options like Show Content, Newsfeed, or Content Visible. Once done, confirm by opening several new tabs to ensure no articles appear. You change this because the new tab layout independently requests feed items even when other toggles are off. To finish, apply a more persistent block using policies if you need enterprise-grade control. You can edit group policy on Windows or navigate to Edge//Policy to verify applied settings. Set keys like Show New Tab Page recommendations to disabled and remove any new tab page override that points to a feed. After applying, restart Edge, clear the browser cache, and open an in-private window to confirm the feed is gone. If the feed persists, check Signed in Sync settings and revoke sync, or repeat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.